Hello, little munchkins. I hope you are happy and doing great. Today, we are going to learn a new sound from our sound book, page number 25. When we write O for 2 times, the sound is oo or oo. The sound is oo or oo. Oo say short sound and oo is long sound. So this oo has 2 sounds. How many sounds? 2 sounds. Short sound oo and long sound oo. Oo, 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 oo. First, we are going to read short oo sound words. G, oo, d, good, good. H, oo, d, hood, hood. L, oo, k, look, look. V, oo, d, wood, wood. Sh, oo, k, shook, shook. K, oo, k, cook, cook. F, oo, t, foot, foot. B, oo, k, book, book. H, oo, k, hook, hook. St, oo, d, stood, stood. T, oo, k, took, took. Br, oo, k, brook, brook. And now let us see few long oo sound words. Oo. F, oo, d, food, food. L, oo, p, loop, loop. R, oo, f, roof, roof. M, oo, n, moon, moon. R, oo, t, root, root. N, oo, n, noon, noon. Z, oo, zoo, zoo. S, oo, n, soon, soon. Sm, oo, d, smooth, smooth. Sh, oo, t, shoot, shoot. B, oo, t, boot, boot. H, oo, t, hoot, hoot. Sp, oo, n, spoon, spoon. H, oo, p, hoop, hoop. T, oo, t, tooth, tooth. So, I hope you all understood the difference between oo and oo sound words. Thank you. Bye bye.